Hey, Linda Sessions here, and welcome to week 8 in computer applications. Can you believe it is already week 8? Last week you worked on your project with Dream Vacation with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and I will be getting those graded this week. And I'm looking forward to learning more about where your dream vacation is, where you're going, what you're going to be doing. I'm going to have a lot of fun grading these, so thank you for sharing your dream vacation with me in these 3 projects. Now, this week, it's the last week, and I realize here in Blackboard it looks like there's a lot of stuff going on, and there is, but they don't take a whole lot of time. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in and look through the Access textbook. Now, Access is Microsoft Office's database program. Now, the reason we have this in here is because employers have asked us to make sure you understand what a database is and how to move around a little bit and work in it. Microsoft's Access is probably not a program you will be actually using going forward. So instead of actually having you create and work in that database, there is a quiz over the information in the material. Why is a database important? Companies use databases to track their inventory, to track their employees, to track their expenses. So no matter where you work, they're going to have some type of inventory program. Chances are it's going to be a program that's unique to that business. But if you understand what a database is, what a query is, and a little bit more about the details of working in a database, well, that's what employers want, because you'll actually be learning the basics and everything from those databases at your different employment opportunities. Now, moving on down this week, there are some videos that you're going to have to be watching and then answering some questions about the videos. So here's a Concepts Module 6, Security and Safety. So it's a real quick textbook read. And then here is a video. And at the end of the video, there are actually questions built into the videos. Now these videos, some of them are 5 minutes, some of them maybe 8 minutes. But the questions and stuff are built in at the end of the videos, and there's lots of great information. Then there is also a review question, a quiz. So here for Module 6, Security and Safety, you have a concept video that talks about personal health and safety with your computer, and then there is an assignment over how you can protect yourself. Then there is a quiz, review questions over Module 6. Then we have Module 11, which is Digital Communications. This follows netiquette. How should you be behaving on the computer and when you're talking with people online? And then there is another video of the review questions on the digital communication. Then you have Concept Module 12, which is a digital transformation. And this is where we're talking about AI in the workplace. Now, artificial intelligence, AI, has been in the news a lot lately, and I can guarantee you that it's not going anywhere. What we need to look at as consumers is how we are utilizing AI, making sure that if we're using something for AI for a paper or for work, that we make sure that we let people know, hey, we have used AI to help answer this question. So there's more information here, how to identify AI in the workplace, and then there are review questions about the digital transformation. Finally, there is the last discussion board of the semester, and I want you to think about artificial intelligence and how you think it might impact your chosen career. I know for my career in education, there are instructors that are using AI and different programs to literally create their curriculum, to create their exams, and Personally, I don't have an issue with that. However, you still need to go back in and review what AI has created for you, because those questions might not have the right answers. It might not be anything that you really want to cover in your class. The same with assignments. You've got to be careful, use your due diligence, think ethically, and give credit if you're using AI to help you further what you're doing in your classes. But how is it impacting your career? Do you think it will? Are you going to be a welder? You're going to the auto industry, airplane industry? Do you think AI will impact your chosen career field? And that's what I want you to think about on the discussion board. So that is everything for week 8. You should have also received an email from WSU Tech about class evaluation, course evaluation. Make sure that you complete your course evaluations for every course you're enrolled in at WSU Tech. Those evaluations are looked at, and we make changes based on the feedback from you, the consumer, our student. So make sure you fill out that course evaluation. And if you really like what I'm doing, please let me know. If there are some issues with the class, if you want to send me an email after you get everything finished, I'd be more than happy to discuss the class with you, and it will not impact your grade, that I promise you. So this week, the assignments are due by Sunday before midnight. Make sure that you get all of them completed and turned in, and your final grades will be posted within 7 days of, actually probably more like within 2 to 3 days of the last day of your class. So get all this done and turned in on time, and I will do my best to get everything graded and your final grades posted again within, I shoot for 2 days. So anyway, it's been a joy having you in class. I've really enjoyed your event flyers, your PowerPoint presentations. I'm looking forward to reviewing your Excel, PowerPoint, and Word Dream Vacation documents. I can't wait to see where you all decided to go. And remember, make sure you get all of these done this week in Module 8. Have a great week, and good luck going forward with your educational pursuits. If ever I can help you, you have my email. Reach out and ask questions, and I will do what I can to help you be a successful student. Thanks, and have a great week.